Hello, today welcome. Today we are going to discuss about again some programs related to JS, and we'll be using some functions related to DOM. Let's go for it, and some we have already done. In this, what happens as we type text inside the box, that text it appears itself outside the box. So let's go for it. HTML. Now we need that form. Let's give this ID. ID is data. Let's create an event on input. Let's call the function. Now nothing more we have to do here. Now let's go for the JS. Yes, and what do we need? We need a paragraph with ID where we want our text to appear. Let's write now JS. Here let's create a function. What is the name of function here? Text API. Yes or no? First we have to get the data from here. Yes, we are using this ID. Let's create a variable. What is the ID? Data dot value. So we got the value. What do we type using this box? We'll get that using this getElementById. After what happens, we will have to transfer this test to this ID. So how? Just we need only one statement. What is the name of paragraph? Text That's all, nothing more we have to do here. Here is our text. Yes, we can see here as we are typing it is appearing, right, under the box. If we delete that, it also gets deleted. Yes or no? Look here. So that's very simple program. Just we need to use the getElementById functions for the document, and that's all. Now next program we are going to write here. Next program is a pattern recognition. So how we go for that? Let's see. We give a particular string or the text, and just we try to recognize particular character or the text is inside of that or not. Mostly it is used for the password. In that password particular character exists or not. For that recognition we use. Let's go for that. Let's see now some regular expressions here, and again we will be using getElementById to know particular string or the password contains particular character or not. Let's write the script directly. What we have to put here? Here we have to put what characters we want to match. Let's put it inside the slashes. So it looks like this one. What characters we want to match, we have to put inside. Suppose we want to match there only alphabetical letters. We can or vowels we can say. Let's see the vowels. Let's put inside A, E, I, O, U. Yes. And after that let's put the GI. So what is the meaning of this? Here I'm just writing the comments. First is here AEIOU. Any vowel as mentioned here, AEIOU, yes or no? Yes. Next is here G, I, G. What is the meaning of G? Check all the characters. Next is here with G there is also a character that is called I. What is I? Case insensitive means in any character that case it can be uppercase, lowercase, it doesn't matter there, we have to check it. If not, then it only checks lowercase or maybe the uppercase. But if we put I, it means that is insensitive, means whether it is in upper letter it checks, either in a lower letter it checks there. So that's all. Now what we need there, we have to print it. So that's all. Let's save it and let's see the output. Let's go to the inspect console. So look here, we are getting output 0 and E. Yes or no? So we are getting 0 and E. So these are the vowels and match with the given string. Yes or no? A, E, I, O, U. So is there A? There is no A, so it is not printed. Similarly E, it is there, E is there, so E is printed. O is also there, O is also printed. So that's all. So this is called regular expression and mostly used when we verify the password. Does it have that particular letter, particular character, particular digit, and for that it is very popular. Okay, so this part is called regular expression. Whatever character we want to match, just we have to put inside this one and inside the slash. Okay, if we don't put this GI, then it will check only first letter of the character. If we put GI, it becomes case insensitive, and G means it checks all the characters. Now let's go for the next. Hello Vans, how can I help you? Okay, now let's go for next. Similarly, we are going to talk about the next program in JS. In this that next program, we'll be talking again about the regular expression, but different type of. Let's see that one by one, so that you will become clear and will understand that clearly. And the next program is let's create new file. Let's write directly that script. First let's declare some variables here. So we have taken here one sentence, one string we can say, and in this string what we have done, we have taken all the letters in both uppercase as well as in lowercase, as you can see here. Now let's cover the matching. A matching looks like this one. Same method we have to use here. Let's take another variable here. I am taking m. Okay, now m equals to so match. So what we want to match here? Yes, what we want to match, we have to put inside the parentheses and inside the slashes. Here we are going to match some upper letters, am I right? So slash, and here we have to put only since we are going to compare or the match only capital letters, we have to put the capital letters inside the square bracket. Looks like this one, A to Z. And obviously we have to check all the characters. For that we have to use G. G stands for global, means check all the characters, not the particular one. If we don't put this G, then what happens? It checks only the first letter of the character, that is T. Now here simply we have to go for the console. Here is console. Now let's save it. Let's go for the output. Inspect console. Here is array 7. So it is showing us that actually which letters are in that uppercase. It is saying that TII CALC, these all are in uppercase or the capital letters. Let's see, are they or not? So T is there, yes or no? So T is there, yes. Then I is there, yes. I is there. Then again I is there. Then C is there, yes. Then A is there, yes. Then L is there, yes. Then C is there. So how many are there? 7. So altogether we have 7 capital letters, and it is being displayed as an output. So it's a very simple way to know the output if that is a case of matching. Okay, if there is a case of matching, and this equal regular expression, and for that most we use this match method with a given variable, that is txt.match we have to use there, and it matches all the characters one by one. If we don't put this G, then what happens? It becomes local. Local means actually it tests only one character, that is the first one. Now let's cover the next. Next again we have next level of regular expression we can say, and in this what happens, we are going to check all the characters again there. Okay, let's see with the alpha program. Let's take some variables here. Here we are taking an email, yes, and we'll replace the particular character with some other characters. So how? Let's copy it. So here is a variable txt and it is having the value gs@gmail.com. Now let's take another variable here. Whenever we go for replacing particular characters or many characters, we have to use replace method. In previous example what we did there, we used the match, but now in this example we are going to use replace. Here we have to put actually what values we want to match there. First is caret here. So what is the meaning of this one? It means that this G we know, it means check all the characters one by one, and in this given string this caret means if it is not A, means if this string it does not contain A to Z or A to J or the 0 to 10, then replace that character with this space, white space. Okay, that is the meaning here. Caret means if it is not. Now let's go for output. Now look here, we are getting output gs@gmail.com, yes or no? Now let's compare our program with the output, that output is right or not. So what we have done in our program, so actually we are asking program to replace the characters if they are not A to Z, capital small and the 0 to 9. If they are other than A to Z, then capital A to Z and the digits 0 to 9. Other than these all, then replace them. It is asking, means JS, then at the rate, it is other than mentioned there. So A is replaced by white space, as you can see here. And next is here dot is also other than mentioned here. not mentioning the condition. That's all. So they are replaced by white space as we have given here. So we are getting output JS, then white space, then Gmail, white space, then come. So that's all. So this is also a programming method we can apply to check to replace particular character existing inside the string. So do you have any questions, queries? Let me know there. Now let's go put the next program here. Next program is again same type of regular expression, and in this we'll be checking some characters, matching some characters. Okay, let's see, but mechanism will be different. creating new file. Let's take one variable here. Now we are going to extract some strings from the given this we are learning JS, and that strings they will have 4 characters, or we can say 5 characters. Let's see there. Let's take here. Suppose if we are going to extract 4 characters, we have to use W. Yes, let's put W here, and after that we have to put this one braces, and inside this we have to put 4. For all the characters, further we have to use G. That's all. Let's see. Let's save it. If any bug comes, we'll see that. So it is asking null. Yes. So where is the bug? Okay. Here is the output. Output we have got here. First is Leah, and that is ning. Yes, we are getting 2 strings here. So this is the output, Leah and ning. 4 characters we have got here, but actually it is not taking the first few characters. Yes, we are. So there is an issue. Let's see what is the issue here. Okay, so one thing we are forgetting here, so that is B. Let's put the B here, and here also we have to put the B. Seems everything okay here. So taking only one character here. So here is the output and this output, it is 100% right, because what we are doing here, so W means word, yes, 4 means 4 or more characters, and in which actually we are having more than 4 characters. It is not having, but it is having. So computer is learning only. So what happens if we put here, suppose 3 let's put the 3. Let's save it. We are getting the R and learning, yes or no? So R, it is having 3 characters, and learning, it is also having 3 characters, and that's all. So in this way, what happens, we can get multiple strings depending upon the conditions we are providing, and this is how we can break it down. Now what happens if we remove this one? If we remove this one, let's run it. So there is no difference here, it is giving us 2 string. So W means word, and having how many letters or the characters? 3 or more, we can say. Yes, that's all. And G means check all the characters from first to last. If we want all the characters having 3, then we can also do here 3. Let's run it. Here is output R, Lee, R and I. Yes, we are getting 3 characters. In this way we can go for the matching, and in this way we can write the program. So this was for today, and tomorrow again we will be discussing some more programs related to regular expression, and then we will be talking about getElementById. Thank you. Tomorrow again that 3 o'clock we will be talking this type of programs, and we will be writing slowly and gradually. Okay, thank you, take care, and join me tomorrow.